Hi everyone, welcome to 𝐻.2Excel in 3 minutes. In this video, I will show you how to work with huge amount of data and pull a specific column information into another column, or just look up one value from second table. So for this, we would need to know how the VLOOKUP works, VLOOKUP formula. Please refer to the video number 4, which I will post underneath this video. Also, for practicing, I will post a practice file underneath this video. So for this, I would like to pull 3 column information. One is education, one is gender, and one is marital status from second table. So in the first table, I have value in the column B, which is country name, and I have similar information in the second table, which is column J. So this is unique in both of the columns, so I can use this column as a unique ID to pull the information from the second table. So for this, I have to click it here in the row number C2, equal sign VLOOKUP, and then I have to select the whole column by clicking it here and comma. Then I will select the other table. I have to remember that if there is any data underneath this table, I cannot select like this. I have to select the whole table like this. Then I need which information I need from the second table? Education. So education is the column, second column in the second table. So I'll write down 2, and then I need exact match, which is 0, and then enter. So I can click on the edge of this row and then double click. I can get all the information in education column. Similarly, I will pull gender, which is VLOOKUP again, selecting column B from first table, and then whole table from the second table, and then extracting gender column, which is number 3 in the second table, and then exact match. Similarly, marital status, which is column number 4, and exact match. This is how we can extract data from one table to another table. Thank you very much.